welcome back to Upskill Yourself. This is a channel where we dive into tools, tips, and strategies to help you improve your skills and productivity. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on any future videos. In today's video, we're going to talk about an amazing text messaging tool that I recently just came across. It's called SMS Textr. This app is perfect for businesses looking to connect with their customers in a quick and effective way. Whether you need to send simple messages or send reminders to your customers or ask for their reviews, SMS Textr is going to be an amazing tool for you. But that's not all. If you're someone who's working on a coding project or just starting to learn, SMS Textr is also a great tool for you. This will give you hands-on experience with working with APIs. In this video, I'm going to talk about the tool, show you how the tool actually works, and all the supported programming languages as of today's time. With that said, let's dive into it. So, right now we're looking at the application layout and interface, which you can see is quite simple, intuitive, and easy to follow. On the top, you have all your action buttons that you need. It's a simple navigation. It has documentation implemented to your project with the specific programming language that you have used. We'll dive into that later in the video. It has a FAQ section where I'm sure you might already have a few questions, and after going through the tutorial with me today, you might have more questions. So try to refer to this FAQ page first. I'm sure you'll find your answers there. But if you do not find your answers there, please leave a comment down below and I'll be happy to help you answer. And then there's an About Us section where you can see what the SMS Textr is. It's transforming how business and developers connect with their customers. They understand that in today's fast-paced world, communication should be instant. And I'm sure you understand because at some point you've also been a customer. And it gets super frustrating when businesses do not answer your queries or do not revert back to you in a timely manner. So this form of communication is going to be simple, it's going to be fast, it's going to be reliable. But for you as a business, it also has to be affordable. And this is where it comes into play. So now you can see that I've already made my account, I've tried it, tested it, and I've used this before. That's how I'm able to make this video for you. So for this purpose, you're going to see your API key here. It's currently hidden for me, but you can click on the eyeball here, it will view, and then you can copy and paste your API keys there. Now, when you start at the beginning, you'll get 3 free credits to try the program out to see if it works and if it's something that you're looking for. And when you're satisfied, when you've understood how things work, you can go ahead and purchase more credits. And to give you perspective, 1 credit means 1 SMS text. On this page, your only main piece of information is going to be your API key, because you're going to need this to copy and paste it into your program so it can work and it can connect together. This is where you can come and see your billing history. Once you start buying credits, you'll start seeing it here. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to come to the documentation section here, and you can see and start to learn how this application works and how we're going to implement this to your current existing program. Now, one thing that I want to highlight, that this platform is only for people in Canada and United States. This application will not work for people outside of these 2 countries. Now we're going to come to this section here, send SMS using HTTP post. This is another thing to make note of, that this platform is a post method platform and not a get method platform. So if you already have a program in place, please make sure that your program is set to work with a post method instead of a get method. These are your parameters. There's a 2, which is going to be the phone number of your customer or your recipient, currently supported only in USA and Canada. The message section is going to be the content of the SMS message, whatever you want to send to your customer. And the API, you know where to find your API. You've already copied it, it's on your clipboard, you just have to paste it now. Now, as you can see, these are the programming languages that are currently supported. Let's say I'm going to work with Python for today. What I need to do is come here, look at this, find this copy to clipboard option, click on it, it gets copied. I'm going to go to my code here. This is going to be my message. This is going to be the phone number. And this is going to be my API key. There's also a method where you can send an SMS, get a confirmation in your console logs without actually sending the message. So if you come back to this page with me, you can see there's an option for testing the API. In the test, what you need to do is just simply add _test at the end of your API. This will ensure that your API is checked separately, and then it is also checked that there's a test option at the end, which will not use your credits. This way you can try unlimited times to see what's working, what's not working for you, and then when you are ready, remove the _test and let it run. Okay, so that ends our tutorial. And now we're going to go over a few things why you should consider an SMS Textr in the first place for your business. Text messaging have an incredibly high open rate compared to other forms of communication. This particular piece of software makes it very easy and seamless for you to understand how this works and get started with it. And if you're ready to level up your marketing game and want to use SMS Textr, check out the link in the description below. As always, thanks for watching the video. Until next time.